They say we can go out for exercise. So here's what we've decided to do. We're on the Natchez Trace Parkway and we're headed to a waterfall. And I'm not sure, but Ani, do you like waterfalls?
I love them.
Huh?
I love them.
She likes waterfalls.
Yes.
So this is a gorgeous one we've been to a few times before. I think I took my parents here years ago, but it's a nice spot. Look how amazing. I have to get off the trail. It's my nature. What do you think?
It's gorgeous.
Nice place, huh?
So beautiful.
I got off the trail and now I'm trying to make my way back up onto the trail, but it is so slippery. I almost slipped down. It doesn't look like it, but that right there is like ice. That green mossy stuff. I don't know what you call it, but it's icy.
I hear it.
I hear it too. We've been walking for I don't know how long. Maybe a minute.
Yeah, maybe one.
But I can hear the waterfall and
right here.
It's got to be close. Oh yeah.
There it is.
Look how awesome.
Beautiful.
Nothing says Tennessee like a good waterfall.
Do you want to have a picnic right here?
I think this is a great spot
Is this a
for a
good spot?
picnic. You got to traverse down these routes. This is the slow way down. There's a slow way and then there's a fast way down. The fast way down usually lands you in the hospital. So we took the slow way. Okay, this is our picnic area and we are so excited about it. Maybe we can get closer. Oh, look at you. You brought a blanket?
Yeah. This is our spot.
Heck yeah. I like it.
You get your eggs, I get mine.
Okay, the main course today is eggs.
Eggs, yeah.
But I'm from Louisiana, and so for me, quail eggs. Pickled quail eggs. Now I know some people are thinking that's strange, but when I was a little tiny boy, like less than 5 years old, I loved quail eggs. My uncle used to feed them to me. He raised them himself and he would pickle them, and I've always loved quail eggs. But Ani has never tried one. So I want to try to convince her right now to try one.
I don't think so.
You're not going to like it, but you should at least try it.
They're pickled. I don't like anything pickled. Much less quail eggs.
What if
I'll
you
stick
try
with my regular eggs?
What if you
Chicken.
just get like a bite of it? She tries everything even though she doesn't like
I'll
it.
try it.
She tries everything and that's why. But she hates vinegar. That's like her least favorite thing.
I hate it. I don't even like pickles. So anything pickled is like, ugh. Okay, let me get my water
Let's
ready.
see if you can add get a tiny.
I have to get my water ready. But just the smell of it. It just smells like vinegar. Okay.
You ate it? Do you hate
That's
it? You
not
hate
the
it?
best. But it's definitely the worst.
I love it. You're funny. Pickled quail eggs. Ooh, they're hot.
I'm not a fan.
pickled with jalapeno.
Oh yeah.
And for our drink today,
Black cherry cream soda.
black cherry cream soda.
Really good.
Huge fan. It's like if we're gonna have a treat, that's what we're gonna drink.
Yeah.
Because we don't drink
We don't drink sodas.
like soda, Cokes, and Dr. Pepper. We don't do it. Try to stay healthy, but from time to time, I'm sliding down the hill. What kind of treat do you have for us?
It is dates with almond butter.
They look kind of smushed.
I know, they got a little smushed in the bag.
But what are they?
They're dates with almond butter and then a little sea salt. It's
So,
very good.
Dates, and you stuffed them with almond butter,
Mhm.
and then you added some sea salt.
Yes. It's very good.
And what is it? It's dessert?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want that. We have options.
We have options.
This seems like the right path.
I think so.
But wait, that looks like another way down.
Yeah.
So do we go the fast way, the slow way, or the super fast way?
Straight down.
Which one? Let's go this way because I think I see another waterfall.
Yeah, let's do it.
You're gonna go the safe way? I'm crossing the creek. Look at this. We're having a nice little date day.
Yeah.
Normally we have date night, but we already had our date night this week, so we decided to have date day. So that's two dates in 1 week.
Yeah?
Are you complaining about that?
I'm not.
You're not complaining?
This is fun.
Makes up for all the times that I forgot to do date night. We won't bring that up. Oh, we were on the road, and yeah, sometimes it's just busy. But we make it a priority, right?
We do.
To do date night every week, but some weeks we've missed it because travel schedule's been so crazy. So it's hard to have date night on an airplane, or right?
Right.
This is really steep. Oh wow, I didn't see this coming. Oh wow. Another little bonus waterfall. Oh wow, this is great. I didn't know about this one, or at least I forgot. Oh my goodness. I like this. Yeah. Am I walking behind it? No. I've already had my shower today. I'm so confused. Do you see what's going on here? That creek has no water in it.
Right up.
It's completely dry. There's a waterfall in a creek, but no water. Ta-da! Made the water disappear. I really don't understand what's going on right here. I thought this was the only creek, but now, okay, I have to investigate. See? No water. I don't understand.
That's really weird.
What's the meaning of this? All right. I gotta figure out what's going on here. We should be seeing all that water come through here, but it's dry. There must be a hole in the ground, but where's it going? The mysterious waterfall. Waterfalls, but then it goes nowhere. This is so weird. That's a significant amount of water coming off of there, right?
That's a lot.
Where is it going?
You think there's some kind of hole or something underneath?
Look, I don't see a hole though. Look. There's no hole in the ground. Where is that water going? Be careful, it's very slippery.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Bend your knees.
I made it.
Behind the waterfall. This is a magic waterfall.
I know.
The water falls, but there's no
Stop.
creek. I love this place.
This is so cool.
We don't understand it, but we love it.